Welcome to a new video on trading for beginners. In this YouTube channel, I am regularly uploading videos of free stuffs, free online tool, free AI tools, and many other topics. Today in this video, I am going to teach you how you can get lifetime free hosting for absolutely free without credit card. Now open any internet browser and search Infinity Free. Infinity free web hosting with PHP and MySQL. Open this website. Now you have to create a free account and verify your email address. For this, go through this register. Give your email address. Create a password. Leave a check mark on this and click on this sign up. A verification link has been sent to your email address. Now open your Gmail box. Open a mail from Infinity Free and click on this verify email address. Once your email address has been verified, you will be logged into the Infinity Free dashboard from where you can create accounts. Click on this create account. Here you will get some paid packages also. Here you will be offered some paid packages or free web hosting. Now go through this Infinity Free $0 forever. Click on this create now. You can also choose your subdomain or add custom domain. If you had already purchased a domain, then you can go through this custom domain and point its name server to ns1infinityfree.com and ns2infinityfree.com, or also you can go through this subdomain. Now write your subdomain name here and choose this domain extension and click on this check availability. If your domain name is available to register, then we will be proceed for next step. On this third step, you have to choose a password for your account. You can also go through this default one or create a custom one for you. And choose this email consent at I approve and click on this create account. We did successfully set up our account. Now click on this open control panel, which is widely known as cPanel. Now click on this I approve. Now inside this control panel, if you had add your custom domain name, then go through this add-on domains. From here you can create add-on domains. And also you must set your domain name server to the ns1infinityfree.com and ns2infinityfree.com as I mentioned it before in this video. Now go back and click on this Softaculous app installer. From here you can install WordPress or any other Softaculous app on your website. If you don't have any idea about how to install WordPress and customize it, then you can check thousands of tutorial video from YouTube. I hope you love this video and find it helpful. If you love this video, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and also press the subscribe button for trading for beginners. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest update. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.